Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today is an in the post, and this is in the post number 41. The first one here is the completer medal for the Four Nations £5 coin proof collection. It's the one that has the same design as the last round pound. However, the last round pound was never released into circulation, so you may or may not know this coin just looking at it. I will be doing a full review of that in the very near future. Now the rest of this in the post for this particular one belongs to one gentleman, and that's a guy called Captain Coinman. He's sent me some more stuff. We have a medal or medallion commemorating Sir Stanley Gibbons. He, of course, being the guy who does so much for the stamp collecting community. So that was one of the things that he gave me. The other two let me get that wide open, is he sent me two bags which are now since bagged up into coins, into what's it bags, into the bank bags. He sent me two large things about half full. These are about half full and folded over. There is around about, I think there's 8 bags of about 24 coins in each one, so that's what, 160, 192. So shall we say just shy of around about 175 to 180 in each bag. He called one nice and one naughty. Now I don't know the reason and what guidelines he used for himself to separate them into the nice and naughty bags. So it ends up that I've got around about 8 or 9 bags of each. Now in one of them certainly I've got coins that are things like the British old UK pre-decimal, old Commonwealth coins such as Annas and things like that, so that's 2 bags worth of coins. I also have one for local UK dependencies such as the Isle of Man, Jersey and Guernsey in another bag. There are also some what I would call empire type coins, i.e. the Italian Empire, which was sort of the time of Vittorio III, I think it was, or second, and also Napoleon III. So they've all gone into separate bags. Those 3 I'll do as separate videos. As for the rest of them, I'm not sure how to present this series of coins, so I'm going to ask you for a little bit of help. We have a nice set of bags and a naughty set. One of my ideas was perhaps to take 1 bag of each and take half the coins from each bag and do a naughty and nice video, and then you as the viewer choose which was the better set of coins. That would be one. I could just do a video of each bag of coins separately, but you know, I'm not sure how that would go down or how I would do it in the long run. So I'm looking for ideas from you guys. Do you have any ideas that we can use? I'd like to be able to get also Captain Coinman, if we do get a load of ideas from you guys, to come in and choose one that he wanted me to do. or two that he would want me to do, and we can do that. I'm having a think about it. I still got to do the research on these coins, so I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do it as yet. It's certainly a very interesting series that he's brought up for me. So, what do you think? Can you give me any ideas how you would like to see these coins presented? Do we do 8 or 9 rounds of half a bag of coins from a naughty and half a bag of coins from the nice, and then let you vote on which you think is a better set for that particular video, and maybe have 9 rounds of it, an uneven amount so you can get a winner? How would you do it, is what I'm asking. And I really could do with some ideas, because I'm a bit stumped at the moment. I may get other ideas in the future on how I can best present what is a very generous gift from Captain Coinman in the best way. He's a great bloke. He's given me these coins, and I must try and do something special with them. So, if you've got any ideas, please put them down in the comments below, and we'll see if we can get maybe an idea for a series, or maybe just for one hunt, I don't know. That will be down to you. Okay, so we have the final coins from the Four Nations series, the completer coin, and we have a Sir Stanley Gibbons medallion or medal. Let me just I can't see anything that stands out as to why coins will be naughty or nice. So if Captain Coinman is watching, and I know he normally does, can you give me an idea of why you chose these two titles? Perhaps that will give me a thing to be able to say, well, that's the reason why he's called them naughty and nice, and give me an idea of how to present them. So I'm going to close it at this point and hope that you guys will help me out with this particular dilemma. And until we meet up again on this channel, thank you so much for watching, and until we meet up again, as I say, from me, bye bye, ta-ra now.